Hello everyone. So now I'll be presenting my business plan. By the way, let me introduce myself. I am Mary Ann L. Valle. And in this subject, business management. So I am planning to have a carinderia business. So the reason why I am having this carinderia business, it is because wala kayo naninda diri sa amoa, and of course the raw materials can be found diri ra pud sa amoa because we have a vegetable garden. Need lang namong pamaliton if ever is pork, poultry, beef. Pero ang mga vegetables kay accessible ra. So let me define first what is the carinderia business. So a carinderia is a type of small business found in local or food stall commonly found in the Philippines. These establishments typically serve affordable, home-cooked Filipino dishes in a casual setting. So, sa ato adrino, naaray mga tagjis, labi na mga vegetables, mga isda, 30 pesos. So, kung karinderya, affordable ra siya kayo. Convenient and accessible pod sa mga tao. Next is, in having a business, there are also important aspects of entrepreneurship that we must know. First is identify an opportunity. So, we need to look for gaps in the market or unmet customers' needs. So, importante kaayong may bawaan na to kung sa lang to yung mga gikinahanglan sa to mga customer nga wala na to mahatag. Para sunod, if ever nanapod kay i-market nga lain nga mga menu, mahatag na nimo siya. This could be a demand for a specific cuisine in your area, a lack of dining options for a certain dietary preferences, or a desire for unique dining experiences. So again, by addressing the unmet needs of health-conscious individuals in our area, these ventures could attract a loyal customer base and carve out a niche in the competitive restaurant. So, kung nakita magud sa mga mamalalit nga nahatag na to kung unsalay ilahang panginahanglan, maloyal na sila na to, kumbaga mahimo na sila natong suki. So, you can do this in a form of survey to know what your customers want that you didn't met on your competitor. Next is be innovative and creative. So, once you've identified the opportunity, think outside the box to come up with innovative solutions or offerings. This could help involve in creating a fusion cuisine, implementing unique presentation styles, or incorporating technology into the dining experiences. For example, ani is during this season, Holy Week, if naatay menu nga lumpia, then ang naa sa lumpia is vegetables with pork. So, to adjust with the current occasion, instead vegetable and pork, we can use vegetable and poultry. So, i-adjust na to ba kung salay okasyon, dili na to i-close nga itong hunang-huna nga basta lumpia lang kani ang usa ka ingredients. Pwede ra gani pod vegetable lumpia kanang pure siyang vegetable. Next is gather resources. So, secure the necessary resources to bring your idea to life. This may include funding, sourcing, quality ingredients, hiring skilled staff, and finding the right location of your restaurant. So, makaingon po ko nga kaniya mong area is the right location para ani na ay karinderya. It is because wala siya karinderya nga gituko dere. And for the skilled staff, pwede ra kami ang muluto. Then the ingredients is we are accessible kay naapod may garden, vegetable garden, and also we are near to Nogas market where the vegetables are sold there cheaper than the other municipalities. Next is create and grow a business. So we need to develop a solid business plan outlining your concept, target market, price strategy, and marketing approach. Then, focus on executing your plan while continually refining and adapting based on customer feedback and market trends. So, for example, pwede ta mag free delivery, for example, ini nga ninyo nga area, imo lang siyang butangan nga with the minimum price 200 baron ang ilang i-purchase mo deliver na ka og food nga free delivery. So ana mas ma-attract nimo tong mga customers o mas ma-loyal na sila imo, kumbaga mahimo na nimo silang suki. Next is take risk. An entrepreneurship inherently involves taking risk. So willing to be step outside your comfort zone and embrace circulated risk that have the potential to propel your business forward, whether it's experimenting with a new menu item, expanding to a new location, or investing in the marketing initiatives. Taking risk can lead to growth and success in the industry. So, mao to gingon na example ani kung maghimo kag menu, ma-exert man jud kag new effort ang imong ingredients, ang imong money. So doing this, we must be optimistic. We must think the brighter side o himuon kinahanglan na kay inspiration nganong kaniman ang ako ang kanang gihimo, kumbaga may panghugutan ba. So maura to siya. Then before ending this, let me leave you a quote. The secret of change is to focus all of your energy not on fighting the old but building the new, by Socrates. Thank you.